Unshelling the Mystery, Understanding Peeled Prawns. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, peel prawns. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and cultural understanding, let's get started. The phrase, peel prawns, literally refers to the action of removing the shell from prawns, also known as shrimp in some regions. Prawns are a popular seafood and often come with their shells on. In many cultures, it's common to peel the shell off before eating them. Understanding cultural context is crucial in language learning. Peel prawns isn't just about the physical action. It's often associated with social gatherings or meals. In many cultures, peeling prawns is a communal activity done at the dinner table surrounded by friends and family. It's more than just preparing food. It's about sharing experiences and bonding. 1. Literal use. 2. Could you help me peel these prawns for the barbecue tonight? 3. This is a straightforward request for assistance with the actual task of peeling prawns. 4. Metaphorical use. 5. Sometimes, peel prawns can be used metaphorically to describe a task that is tedious or requires patience. 6. Example, I've been peeling prawns all day at work sorting through these files. Pronunciation. Focus on the pronunciation of peel, similar to feel, and prawns, rhymes with dawns. Usage. When using this phrase, context is key. If you're talking about a meal or cooking, it's likely taken literally. In other contexts, consider if it's being used metaphorically. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, peel prawns, in both a literal and metaphorical sense. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and context behind the words. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.